So this will be continuation from the examples I'm doing on Venn diagrams. This is just going to be the last example. So this question is also a question that involves three sets. And the question says, in a class of 60 students, 35 play soccer, 30 play basketball, 25 play volleyball, 15 play soccer and basketball, 12 play soccer and volleyball. So I'm going to write it out and then we'll draw the Venn diagram. So we'll say the number of students will do all three. We'll do everything. Sorry, that's the total students. So that will be N equals to S union B union V is equals to 60. Because I already, S represents soccer, B represents basketball, and 12 represent, and V represents volleyball. Okay. So number of students who play soccer is 35. Number of students who play basketball is 30. Number of students who play basketball is 30. Number of students who play volleyball is 25. Number of students who play soccer and basketball is 15. And the number of students who play soccer and volleyball is 12. Okay. The number of students who play basketball and volleyball is 10, and number of students who play all three that play all three is 5. Okay, so now let me draw the Venn diagram. So there will be number of S union B union V is 60. That's the total number of students. S B V. Okay. So number of students who play soccer 35. Number of students who play basketball is 30. Number of students who play volleyball is 25. Number of students who play soccer and basketball is 15. Number of students who play basketball and volleyball is 10. Number of students who play soccer and volleyball is 12. Number of students who play all three is 5. Okay. So now we have to look for number of students who play only one sport. But first of all, we have to look for number of students who play exactly 2 sports. Okay. So now we are looking for number of students who play only soccer and basketball. Only soccer and basketball. That will be number of S intersection B intersection V prime. Complement. So that, and the formula will be number of students who play soccer and basketball minus the number of students who play all three. So that will be 15 minus 5, which is equals to 10. Okay. So now we have to look for some number of students who play only soccer and volleyball. So that will be soccer and volleyball. So that will be S intersection B prime intersection V. That will be number of S intersection V minus number of S intersection B intersection V. Okay. So number of students who play soccer and volleyball is 12. The number of students who play all three is 5. So that will be 12 minus 5, that will be 7. And let's look for the number of students who play only basketball and volleyball. Basketball and volleyball. So that will be S prime because intersection B intersection V. So that will be number of B intersection V minus all three. Number of students who play all three. So that will be 10. This one is 10 minus 5. That will be equals to 5. Okay. So now let's look for number of students who play only one sport now. So if we want to total all the number of students who play exactly 2 sports, so that will be 10 plus 7 plus 5. 10 plus 7 plus 5 is 10 plus 7 is 17 plus 5 is 22. Okay, it's number of students who play only 2 sports. So now let's do the number of students who play only one sport. So for only one sport, so now let's do for only soccer now. So for only soccer, the notation is be notated like S intersection B prime intersection V prime is equals to number of students who play soccer minus the number of students who play only soccer. And so you know what, it is going to be number of students who play only soccer minus number of students who play exactly 2 sports. That will be minus 22, because that's the answer we have here. Okay, so that will be 35 minus 22. So 35 minus 32, that's 13. So that's number of students who play only soccer. This is for only soccer. Okay, so now let's do for only basketball now. So that will be S prime intersection B intersection V prime. So that will be number of students who play basketball minus 22. Okay, so number of students who play basketball is 30. So that will be 30 minus 22. That will be 8. Okay, so now let's look for number of students who play only volleyball. Number of students who play only volleyball So this one will be quite different from this one. So that will be number of students who play volleyball minus the number of students who play only basketball and volleyball. Okay, plus number of students who play only soccer and volleyball, plus the number of students who play all 3. So that will be 25 minus this one is 7 students that play this. There's 7 students that play only soccer and volleyball. There's 5 students that play all 3. So that will be 25. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 7 is 17. So 25 minus 17 is 8. Okay, so now let's look for number of students who play only one sport, at least one sport. Okay, at least one sport. Sorry, we have not totaled the number of people who play only one sport. And that's for play only one sport total. So the total will be number of students who played only volleyball plus the number of students who played only soccer plus the number of students who played only basketball plus the number of students who played only soccer and basketball so it should just be these 3, because this is only play only one sport. So this one only play volleyball, this person only played soccer, this person only played basketball. So and that will be 8. Okay, plus it's just the total of everything. It will be 8 plus 13 plus 8. Okay, 8 plus 13 plus 8 will give us 29. So that's the answer for that one, for the student that play only one sport. So for the student that played at least one sport, at least. So now this is the number of students that play only one sport, and the number of students that played 2 sports, and the number of students that played all sports. It's almost like it's almost close to the total of all students. So at least one sport, that would be the same thing. This one, let me just put it as 29, so we don't need to be writing all that. 29 plus the number of students who play all 3 plus the number of students who play only basketball, who played soccer and volleyball, who played soccer and basketball, but the number of students who played soccer and volleyball plus the number of students who played basketball and volleyball. Okay, so that will be 29 plus 5 plus 7 plus 10 plus 5. Okay, so if we add up 20, so we add up together. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 7 is 27. So we have 29 plus 27, so that will be 56. So the total of students who play only one sport is 56. So that's it for this topic. That's it for Venn diagrams. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section, or you can send it to my email. Make sure you like the video, make sure you share it, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and peace out.